Hello children! Today we are going to learn about vowels and consonants. Vowels. These letters are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Consonants. These letters are called consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Review. Look at the pictures and complete the words with vowels. Apple, apple. Cow, cow. Orange, orange. Nib, nib. Bat, bat. Tub, tub. Pen, pen. Well done, children. Goodbye.